Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth usage experience review about this LLC platform called Firstbase IO. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. So talking about this usage experience about Firstbase IO. Firstbase IO focus on helping international entrepreneurs to set up in US companies remotely. Their platform is very modern and beautiful designed. Everything from company information to EIN application and even a bank account setup is done online. Customer service is chat and email based. They shine for global funders but might feel unnecessary for US based entrepreneur who can form an LLC cheaper elsewhere. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section about your user experience and what you think about this LLC platform called Firstbase IO. Thanks.